Okay, now let's look at this JAMB physics question. Okay, it's more of calculation. Okay, but listen, let's go through it together. So listen closely. Okay, so this is on pressure. This is the harder part of a pressure calculation. Okay, look at this. It says calculate the absolute pressure at the bottom of a lake at a depth of 32.8 meter. Assume the density of the water to be this, and the air above is at a pressure of this. That's kilopascal, 101.3 kilopascal, and take G as this. Okay, remember, what's your formula for density? Okay, I'm sorry, for pressure is P equal to your height times the density times what? Your gravity, G. Okay, now we're looking for, it has asked us for the absolute pressure. Remember your calculation that what is absolute pressure, which is the total pressure on the system, okay, is what? P absolute pressure equal to what? The pressure in the liquid, okay, or the substance, or pressure, whatever pressure we're looking at, okay, plus the atmospheric what pressure. That is the absolute what pressure. Okay. Now, from here, I know everyone be wondering where is what is the atmospheric pressure? What is it? Okay, because in most pressure calculation, they will always state, you will see it, the atmospheric pressure is this. But here you can see there's nothing like atmospheric pressure. So what it is? What is it? What is this PA? Okay, remember that the pressure on the surface of any liquid is what? The atmospheric pressure. So from this statement, it says here, the air above is at a pressure of that's the air above the liquid, above the lake. So this value is our atmospheric pressure. You see that? Okay, so this value is our atmospheric pressure because it is the pressure of the air above the lake. So this is the atmospheric pressure, because that's what atmospheric pressure is the pressure on the surface of any liquid. All right, now, so for this to get our pressure in the liquid at this height, we now have to calculate it, and which is what? Our height, that's the depth, times our density, then times this. So we have here, so to get P, we have our height, which is 32.8, times our density, this is 10 to the power 3, okay, which is 1000, then times our G, which is what? 9.8. When we multiply this, you can use your JAMB calculator. Okay, when you do this times this, you should get like and multiply by this, we're going to get 321. 10 raised to the power 3 is 1000. You should know all this quickly. All right, so that'll be 1000 times this. Okay, so that we're going to get 321,440 Pascal. Okay, now after this, now, so it means we're going to add this to this, right? And this value is what? This is 101.3 kilopascal. You can see where this question is tricky. This is kilopascal. So it means you have to convert this guy to kilo. And to convert to kilo means we what? Divide by what? 1000. So when we divide, our decimal point will be here, right? You're going to shift 3 places. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So it means now this P is finally 321.44 plus 101.3. And when we add this up, what are we going to have? We're going to have, this will be, let me just bring this down here. Okay? So this will be 47.22, then 4. So we're going to have our answer as B. Okay, so take note of these little silent things. All right, see this kilo here. You can see that. I'm sure you might get here and you will just get confused and just leave the question. But it's just another simple step. Okay, just another simple step. And mind you, please, when you see deep calculation questions like this in physics, please, in your first, I've explained on strategies that you use. In your first breeze, when you go through your physics, just any difficult calculation, just leave it for later. All right? Just pass through your entire physics. Do the ones without calculation, the ones that the calculation is straightforward and easy. Then come to this. You can see how it took a bit of time. So this will take, for your JAM, you have approximately 40 seconds per question. This might take you like 2 minutes to quickly go through. Okay, so be sensitive of all these little things. Kilo, all right, in pressure, when they say the statement, the air above is at the pressure, they mean the what? Atmospheric pressure. Okay, so thank you. And remember this formula also, that when you're asked for the absolute pressure, it is what? The pressure that occurs in the liquid and added to the atmospheric pressure. Okay, so thank you, and see you in our next. We're going to be, as I said, more of calculation till your exam day by God's grace. So don't forget to get the DTW JAM CBT app to practice more. Okay, it has your past questions, authentic past questions all the way from 1992 till date with their correct solutions. There are even class notes that you can read from and practice from. There's this feature called question search. You can search for any topic and it brings up questions on that topic. Lovely app to practice on your phone, your laptops. Okay, and the links are in my profile or the video description box of this video, or you can WhatsApp me. My WhatsApp details is also in my profile and the video description box of this video. If you're interested in our intensive JAMB online tutorials, please do join us. My details, everything, it's on the WhatsApp group. Okay, so from us, you are destined to win. All right, you're destined to win in the forthcoming JAMB 2024 examination and also in life. All right, and finally, don't forget that Jesus Christ is coming soon. Do give your life to Christ, for He's the way, He's the truth, and He's the life. You are blessed. See you in our next video.